head. One shot, one moment. His palms are sweaty, knees weak, arms are heavy. There's vomit on his sweater already. Mom's spaghetti, he's nervous, but on the surface he looks calm and ready to drop.
Hey guys, this is 2 Hearts In. I was on Facebook today and Ryobi did like a promo for this compressor and I wanted to do a demo anyway. So I went to Home Depot and got this set made by Husky. It's a 20-piece air accessory kit. Has a gauge and all the stuff that you need to put onto the hose here. And I also got this, a 1/4 inch hose by 50 feet. I wanted 25, I didn't want 50, but they didn't have it there. I could have ordered it, but I wanted to do the video today. I ended up getting this. I'm hoping this will fit. I don't know. I'm gonna try it. And when I get it all put together, we're gonna do a demo to see if Ryobi is right on their Facebook post saying they can fill a tire and it looks like a pickup tire. So I'm using a Ford Ranger for the demo. They said 1 minute and 20 seconds. And I'm gonna leave it at probably 10 PSI because I don't want it all the way flat. And we'll see what the max I can go at 1 minute 20 seconds, and I'll have my phone timer in the video so that way you know that I'm not lying, and there's no reason for me to lie because I'm not sponsored by Ryobi. So we'll get this on, get it going, and get this show on the road. Alright, here we are. I'm gonna give you the measurements quick. Be 15 inches by 11. Okay, so we got a new battery. It's really dim, but it's full. Anyway, of course this stuff happens to me. It's a 4AH, which that's what they say on the back is the minimum that you should use. Okay, so I did have to cut this down. It was way too long. So I cut it down to about 24 feet. Redid the hose. It looks pretty good, I think. And then I got the gauge here. So we're gonna deflate it. And we got 1 minute 20 seconds is what they said. That's what we have to work with. We're gonna check quick. This says 40 PSI. We'll say 10 is flat. Well, I could have made it a lot easier and taken the valve out, but I figured I'll do it the hard way. Does that make sense? Check it again. 13 PSI. Okay, so we're gonna do 1 minute 20 seconds and then I'm gonna stop pushing. Holy crap, if my life depended on it. Okay, so we'll do 1 minute 23 because I gotta hit the button and get over there. Alright, ready? So finally that got full. So I got 27 PSI in the time that they said that you could fill a flat tire up. And we had 13. So I'm not quite sure what they're filling up on a minute and 20 seconds, but it surely is not a pickup tire. Car tire, maybe. It's a little compressor, so I'm kind of impressed with how it performed. It's not terrible. I actually thought it was going to be a lot less just because it started right away, and then I don't know. So that's the demo of it, and I could fill it up, see how long it does actually take to get it full. So I'll do that. We're at 27. I'll just get it to, I think it was 35. I'm gonna check for it. So we'll just do 35. Okay, let's see how long it takes. We're at 27, so it shouldn't take long. I did get it to 35 in 50 seconds. Yeah, you literally can get it a flat tire full in 2 minutes. Really. It's a little over 2 minutes. So that's pretty good. So this is my demonstration on the Ryobi 1 gallon air compressor. This is a Husky. I cut it. It's only a 1/4 inch. I would recommend it actually. Get a 1/4 inch, wrap it around. It actually is pretty nice. So that's what I got. Do a 1/4 inch, 25 or under. Don't go over 25 feet. It's too much. Definitely get a 480H battery, amps per hour. This Husky kit is nice. Has everything you need. Do the ends on this. I hope this was informative for you, and hope you have a good day. This is 2 Hearts In. Keep living.
Because I'm happy. Clap along if you